All right. So, my hypersmooth 2. This is the basic kit. I just ordered it from Columbia Coatings. Um, Pretty much just want to do a little video, show you guys like what actually comes in it. I know it's a newer kit they just released, so it's pretty much the hypersmooth 2 LED kit. Just doesn't come with some of the stuff that kit comes with like the hoppers, the different conical nozzles. It's pretty much just a stripped down kit of that. And yeah, so this is what you get. Comes with a vortex cup, and that comes with I believe it's a 10-foot length of hose. Let me check. So they package it super nice. It comes with this whole checklist that somebody, JC, goes through and makes sure that the quantity is in the box. Very nicely packaged. So pretty much, as you can see, it comes with the control box, gun, manual, the nozzle, the standard flat, comes with a one conical tip, and the nose cone, which is this piece. That's just the end of the gun. Then it comes with the vortex cup attachment. It has a 12-foot pressure hose, sorry. The instruction sheet, of course, which is this bad boy. Then the accessories it comes with the ground clamp, which is that right there. That goes to the back of the power unit and to the ground. Power cord for the control box and the air coupler. So it comes with the actual power cord, and it does come with a 1/4-inch NPT air fitting, which is pretty much what all of us use to run our shop stuff, so that's good. That's the piece for your vortex cup to your gun. Also, okay, what else did I get? Oh yeah, I ordered the wide mouth nozzle with it. That comes in the upgrade kit that you can get for the basic kit, but I figured that was really the big selling point of this, is to get that wide mouth tip, and then you can do multi-coats, supposedly a lot easier. I was just reading on that, and also it came with this. I don't know if that's supposed to come with it, or if it's supposed to make that better, or I don't know. It didn't say anything about it, so I don't know. But yeah, so the wide mouth nozzle, they threw it right in the box. Pretty much they tell you to put it to 100 with the wide mouth nozzle and coat. It's supposed to help multiple layers and everything come out nicer. So I guess we'll see. But yeah, it comes with of course instructions for the vortex, for the well, I can't speak, the wide mouth nozzle. Then it comes with your user guide for the actual unit. Then it comes with the Columbia Coatings product catalog. It just has all of their equipment they sell, different powders they have available. You know, they build ovens and booths, of course. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little insight on what comes in it. I know I didn't see too much when I was searching around, so I figured I'd make something so somebody else is out there looking like I was and can at least get a look at it. It looks like a pretty sweet unit. Definitely a big upgrade. I used to have an Easy 50, so this thing looks a lot nicer. I'm hoping it'll do a lot better. And I guess from everything I've read and heard, Columbia Coatings is a great company, and they're super helpful if you ever have any problems. So yeah, here's your feed out. That goes your air for your vortex cup, or if you have an actual canister or one of the fluidizing hoppers, something like that, that's your feed. This is your ground, which is going to go to my other ground right over there. My gun power, which I guess there's a little thing in here. I guess if you open it up, you can run 220, which I won't be doing that, so I don't got to worry about that. And this is where my air is going to be coming in, which I always try to put a filter in, so I'm not going to use just that piece. So I'm going to slide in an actual filter, another little secondary filter. Of course, I have filters coming off of my compressor, but you guys know how powder coating is. You can never be too careful. Of course, I'm going to end up putting this out of the way so it doesn't get hit and broke. Yeah, it looks like a very nice machine. Yeah, here's the front. Your KV adjustment. I guess it goes to 100. So it gives you a fair amount of adjustability. You can't adjust your microamps. And I didn't show you guys that. Here's the 2 tips that it does come with. So it comes with the standard one. I just slid the end on it for now. So that's the standard, and this is the wide flat tip, I guess. Yeah, so this will be my first time trying it. So once I get her up and going and everything, I'll do a little review on her, see how she goes. All right, stay tuned.